Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I am creating with John Bead. John Bead is a Preciosa crystal platinum distributor and a well-known wholesale company who has been in the business for 70 years. Today's DIY jewelry making project features my Autumn Glow earrings. Tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers. All of the pearls and the crystals used in this project today are Preciosa crystals and pearls. We have 4mm vanilla pearls and 4mm bronze pearls, 4 and 6mm light green pearls, and a 6mm olivine crystal, 4mm topaz crystal, 6mm light Colorado topaz crystal round, and 6mm light Colorado topaz crystal bicone, 8mm Capri gold crystal, a gold circle connector, lever back earrings, 4mm jump rings, and ball head pins. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on blog.johnbead.com. We're going to start out by creating the little dangles on the earrings. String your 8mm Capri gold crystal onto your ball head pin. Now I'm going to make a bend in the wire. Grabbing our wire cutters, we're going to come over and trim off that little end. Using our round nose pliers, we're going to put it at the end and roll the wire towards you to form a simple loop. You are going to repeat this process 2 times for the 4mm vanilla, 2 times for the 4mm bronze, 2 times for the 6mm light green pearls, 1 time for the 4mm light green pearl, 1 time for the 6mm olivine crystal, 1 time for the 4mm topaz crystal, 1 time for the light Colorado topaz crystal round and bicone, 1 time each. I just grabbed our lever back earring and a 6mm light green pearl, and we're going to open the loop. This is how you open the loop. So we're going to open it, attach to your earring, and close the loop. Grabbing a 4mm jump ring, this is how you open and close a jump ring. We're going to open the jump ring. Attach a bronze and vanilla 4mm pearl. Connect the jump ring to the back side of the ear lever, and then we're going to come back in and close our jump ring. Grab another 4mm jump ring, and you're going to attach a light green 4mm and 4mm topaz. Find the previous jump ring on the earring, and we are going to attach the next jump ring in between the 2 beads. Attach the jump ring. I come back in and close our jump ring. Another 4mm jump ring. We have our light Colorado topaz round 6mm and our 6mm olivine. We are going to attach between the 2 previous beads. I've attached, and now I'm going to come back in and close my jump ring. You can see our earring is starting to take shape onto the 4mm jump ring, our 6mm light green pearl, and our 6mm light Colorado topaz bicone. The center. See how the beads are on opposite side where we attached it. And now we're going to close our jump ring. Another 4mm jump ring with a bronze 4mm pearl and a vanilla pearl. We are connecting it to the jump ring in between the two beads. And then we are going to close the jump ring. Grab your gold connector and your 8mm Capri gold crystal. We are going to open the loop, attach, and close our loop. Open another 4mm jump ring and attach the top of the connector. Picking up our earrings, we're going to that last jump ring and we're going to connect it. And close our jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my autumn glow earrings. Also featured on blog.johnbead.com is my autumn glow bracelets. There is no video for this bracelet, but there are printable PDF instructions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.